at a random Wal-Mart, and I found these Rountree's fruit pastilles that weren't previously labeled as vegan friendly. These have timeless British candy taste. Traditional candy. Fruit, chewy jujubes, covered in crystallized sugar. I like them. The thing I found most interesting was this Shaq-a-licious candy. These are candy gummy Shaq faces. Shaquille O'Neal, the famous basketball player and now seeming marketing entrepreneur. Oh wow, it really does look like him. And it says they come in 3 flavors: peach, berry punch, and orange. Very soft, very chewable, a little hint of that almost waxiness, which I actually kind of like. So many big, delicious flavors in there. That's good candy. This is not a health food channel, but if you like to eat candy, these are good ones. Yeah, recommend.
For Vegan Everywhere, I'm David.